to pull it off that way, honey. You just need to pull the ribbon off.
Mom, why did you make it so complicated for them?
I did it. Just like that, okay? Okay, there. Now you can get the rest of it. Here, let me take this off.
You ruined my entire you're not good yet.
Good job, Lily.
You want me to close my eyes? But it's for you.
Oh, fruit! I want some oranges.
Do you have a knife on you?
I don't.
Here, this pen will work. I just need to...
Oh, hi.
Okay, here. Now you can take the top off.
Good job, cowboy.
If you need help, honey, Grammy's right there. She can help you, okay?
Hang on. What? What, Mom?
Well, is he gonna spill anything the way he's opening?
No.
Liam, how about this? Take both sides at the same time and just pull it up. There you go. Yep, like that. Pull up. Shake it.
It is.
What is it, Lil?
Pillow pet.
It's a what?
A pillow pet.
Oh!
Okay, here. Now take that. I'll hold the bottom.
Do you love that?
Oh, yes!
Liam, what is it?
A panda.
Oh, that's awesome. I love it.
Unicorn.
Oh,
A unicorn?
Yeah.
What do you guys say to Grammy?
Thank you.
and
Give her a kiss. And...